Today I will show you how to copy photos from your Android phone to a USB flash drive. For this I'm using a USB-C hub. This is a small device that plugs into your phone's USB-C port and allows you to connect additional accessories such as USB flash drives, memory cards, and even an HDMI output for connecting your phone to an external monitor. I will leave links in the description to USB-C hubs you can purchase. First, connect the USB-C hub to your phone, then plug your USB flash drive into the hub. Now on your Android phone, open the Files app, tap on See All, search for the folder that contains the photos you want to copy. In this example, I'll copy photos from my Pictures folder. Tap and hold the photo you want to copy to select it. You can then select additional photos by ticking them. If you want to copy all photos in a folder, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Select All. Next, tap the three dots again and choose Copy To. Now select your USB flash drive as the destination. Then tap on Copy Here. Once the transfer is complete, you're all done. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.